Alright, hopefully this actually captures my voice. I'm hoping it does. Technically, it's connected to my headphones or my helmet. But I don't think my motorcycle might be a little bit louder than my voice, so that might be a struggle. Wait, I need to make sure that my backpack is closed. It is indeed closed. And do a loop around. See how the camera feels. It looks sick so far. Alright, let's see. Go to the right. Crap, traffic! Maybe I shouldn't have gone this way. So much traffic! Why is there so many cars? Let him get the right of way. This is actually a good audio test for my headphones too. I mean, I think I remember how these headphones sounded like, but not necessarily, not fully. It's the ambulance. It's actually the fucking fire department, but same difference. Same fucking difference. Oh, it's gonna hit me! I almost got run over. Just doing a loop around campus. I can make the light. I can make the light. I can still make the light. I cannot make the light. Jesus, fuck, that guy was fucking going crazy. Okay, I guess that guy can do that too. I'm gonna have to like make sure the camera's still there, cause last time that camera fell off. It fucking scared the shit out of me when I didn't see it there. I'm like, it's gone forever! I lost it! So, nah, that shit got me worried now. And I don't even know why the fuck I'm still doing it like how I did it before. It's gonna fall off again. Please don't pull out! Thank you! The only thing I do hate is the fucking This road right here, it's fucking annoying as fuck. Just the amount of potholes here is crazy to me. Bro, that car almost hit me. You pulled out the door! Oh, yeah. Let's see. There's a thumbs down over there. What the hell is that about? I don't even know if the camera can capture that. I don't know what they're saying, but it's just a thumbs down with people in their mask. Sounds legit. Are they saying thumbs down to UC Santa Cruz? Is that what they're saying? Interesting. Is that the Grim Reaper? Come on, people. Come on, people. Bro, this road always scares me too. All the roads here scare me. But Oakland is way worse, I'm not gonna lie, the amount of potholes in Oakland. But I mean, right here, that like half and half, I feel like my wheel's just gonna like split at one point. Hello, officer, I'm totally not speeding. Please don't turn around. I would greatly appreciate if you didn't turn around and turn on your lights, because that would be fucking terrifying. I already had that once happen. I already had that happen once. I don't know what the fuck. Make sure this is still stable. It is indeed. And then I go, because then the cars behind me get fucking mad for no reason when I'm like delayed by like a second or two. And they're like, go move it! And I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm trying to move. You know? Yeah, and I am on a motorcycle and I do take off a little bit quicker than they do, but that's whatever. Fuck you. Fuck them, I guess. I really hope it's picking up my voice and not the motorcycle and the wind. Because then it would just be awkward if you're just looking back at the audio and it's just... You know? Also, my chin cover fucking sucks, so wind enters up through that way. What a lovely day it is outside. Super warm, not a cloud in the sky. Totally doesn't look like it's about to rain tomorrow. What a lovely day. Gotta love it. Gotta love living right next to the ocean. You really can't expect anything. I mean, LA, I guess LA's just hot for some reason, even though they're right next to the ocean. But us, nah, we get 2 days of rain, 2 days of sun, 2 days of I don't know what the fuck, but you know what, it works. And everyone can't predict the weather, so they can't enjoy their fun outside. They're like, oh my god, it's hot time, it's hot weather day, woo! Next thing you know, it's raining the next day, so you're like, what the fuck? Alright, time to practice my turning. Yeah. That guy's turning. Alright, we let him go. I continue my way. Please don't fucking pull out. Greatly appreciated, mister. They're from fucking Colorado? That's a fucking long drive. Jeez, I could never. Unless on a bike, then that's fucking dope. But... Camera's still on? Okay. It's the fucking bumps that get me. It's the bumps that scare the shit out of me, thinking, oh, my camera's fucking gone now. Make sure it's still stable. It is, okay. Good. Alright. I think I'm a little too close to this car. I can go a little closer. I can touch them. I feel like I can just, like, touch it. We're gonna pull out. Thank you. I don't want to die today. Ba-now, 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 ba-na-na-na-now. She seems happy. No one was going. Ba-now, 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 ba-now. I want to race him. He seems fast. He got that V8 on that bicycle, like no other. Actually, I'm gonna take it to Kresge. Fucking Kresge! I'm not even affiliated with Kresge, but Kresge! It's actually really cold outside, but for some reason I feel warm. And it's not because of this jacket, because I know damn well this jacket ain't cold. I mean, ain't warm. So, it's either my fucking fat, or that. I don't know what else it could be. Hello, trailer park. I'm gonna wake up everyone with my fucking loudness. Alright, man. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze. It means don't worry for the rest of your day. It's a problem-free philosophy. Didn't I just fucking see that person? Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata. He fucking pointed a gun. Oh no, he was just signaling to go left. Never mind. Bro, story time. I once saw some dude park like their normal bike, just like a normal bike on one of those B-cycle things, and I felt so bad for him because I knew he wasn't gonna get that unlocked anytime soon. Because A, it wasn't gonna show up on his phone, and B, it's not a B-cycle. So, I don't know if he got his bike out, but I just felt super bad for him. Did I do anything about it? No, not really, but I mean, I felt sorry for him. That's all that counts, right? Right? I'm not a bad person, I promise. I promise. Kuna Matata. It's supposed to be fucking spring. I guess this is kind of spring weather, but it's this is not the spring weather I want. I need hot, not raining, normal temperature spring weather, because that's the spring weather I like. It's good rainy season, you know? And yeah, and ladies and gentlemen, we have completed our fucking roundabout, our test for the X4. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button, subscribe. I don't know what else to say. Make sure to follow me on LinkedIn. Who the fuck says LinkedIn? Follow me on Google. Hell yeah. You know what? Fuck it. And if you still have Vine, you won't find me there because I don't have fucking Vine, and I'm pretty sure it got discontinued. But you know what? It's still lit. And yeah. Goodbye.